Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Reader. Today we've got a box from Zenpop. Zenpop is a popular subscription service for instant noodles and other things out of Japan. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Looking interesting. Alright, let's move this aside and then we can have a look at each thing individually. First, as always, we're greeted with a little slip of paper that says thank you. No, thank you! Next we have this paper, and this sheet is invaluable. It's got information about all the varieties. This is the Ramen World Pack, or the Ramen World Cup Pack. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, count them, 5, 6, 7, 8 varieties here. And this will give you information about what they are, what countries they're representing. They're all Japanese as far as I know. They'll tell you how long to cook, what's in it, what kind of, like if there's meat or fish or this or that. Yeah, if you get one of these boxes, save this, because this will save your butt if you're not ultra comfortable and knowledgeable about how to figure out how to cook Japanese varieties. And to start things off, we have a Hayashi Tanuki Soba. Let's read what it has to say about it. Hayashi means cold, and this dish is meant to be eaten cold because it's hot season in Japan. Enjoy a Japanese way of beating the heat. Don't add the packets before cooking. Rinse the noodles under cold running water after cooking, then mix in the sauce and crispy bits. Mix it up and enjoy. Hayashi Soba is really good stuff. I'm very curious about this one. Next up, we have a Mio Jo Variety, and this is their Chuka-zanmai Tantan Men. I'll read. Experience authentic Szechuan cuisine from the famous Tokyo restaurant Shishin Hanten with a delicious history of over half a century. Eating out at the classic restaurant is a little posh, but now you can eat their delicious Tantan Men, vegging out in the comfortable home of yours. Pretty comfortable. Alright, next we have a Marshawn Thai red curry variety. I've never seen red curry represented in a variety from Japan. So let's read and see what they have to say. Japanese people love the fusion of udon and J-style curry. But here we can try it with Thai red curry. With tasty flavors of lemongrass, coconut milk, and other ethnic spices of Asia, this curry is translated into a Japanese version. How do you like it? I'm curious, honestly. Could be good. Alright, here we have one. It's Japanese, but it's part of their Tastes of Asia kind of series. This is Singapore Laksa, and as you can see, the cup mentions it's cup noodles. Now, in Japan, they only call it cup noodle. So this is also trying to duplicate the packaging of the Singaporean variety, which I've had. Also, I've had the Hong Kong variety. Let's see what they have to say about this. Laksa, a spicy noodle soup dish of Singapore, joined Zenpop Ramen this month to try and win the Zenpop Ramen Cup. The creamy coconut flavor is spiced up with chili and coriander. How do you like this iconic Asian taste? Alright, here we have a nice looking Japanese curry ramen bowl from Sapporo Ichiban. Here's what they have to say about this. The rich and deep flavor of the soup is created with beef, onion, garlic, miso, and other spices and seasonings, which all keep a perfect balance together. Topped with 4 kinds of ingredients including diced potatoes, which are the hidden stars of the dish. Alright, next we have a table mark variety with their Homerun Ken chicken shoyu. Let's read. The shoyu-based soup is flavored with chicken stock and menma, fermented bamboo shoot, giving it a flavor harmony. The non-fried noodles are soft and chewy, which creates a synergy with the simple and savory shoyu soup. Alright, next on the list, I am really freaking jazzed on this, folks. This is Cup Noodle Nice Kimchi Tonkatsu. And Cup Noodle Nice is a lighter category product. It's healthier, and honestly, I have nothing but good things to say about these. They're the pork shoyu is on the top 10 World Cups list for 2018. I have little doubt that this is going to be a world-class, awesome, amazing noodle. So let's just see what they have to say about it. Cup Noodle Nice are nice because they have a rich taste but are also better for you than the original Nissin Cup noodles with fewer calories. Kimchi gives the creamy tonkatsu soup a spicy umami. Yeah, so they're saying this is like representative of a, South Korean flavor with the kimchi. And finally, we have another Table Mark product. This is a Guangzhou Shoyu Ramen. This ramen style from Guangzhou, also known as Canton, features shoyu-based soup flavored with oyster sauce, chicken extract, and other savory seasonings. The non-fried noodles are chewy and smooth. Alright, so in the September 2018 Zenpop Ramen World Cup pack, you get Cup Noodle Nice, Curry Ramen, Laksa, Red Curry, Hayashi Soba, Tantan Men, Chicken Shoyu, Cantonese Style Shoyu, your information sheet, and finally, a thank you note. Well, awesome, cool. Thank you to the folks over at Zenpop. If you want to check out their stuff, just go to www.zenpop.jp. That's www.zenpop.jp. If you use the coupon code, which I will make funny noises to impart to you. Yeah, use that coupon code and you'll get a little bonus off discount kind of thing. Alright, well cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking and notification belling and all that good jazzy stuff. Here's some other videos to check out, and yeah. Alright, check you later. Bye.